Welcome to Audio Geeks Unboxing. We're going to take a look at the Tivoli PAL BT and get this thing open. Now this thing is Bluetooth compatible. So inside the box here, we got a quick start guide. Seems pretty self-explanatory, real simple, but if you need to look for information in there, you can find it in there. So let's pull this thing out. It's a really compact, really sturdy feeling Bluetooth speaker here. Right. So the PAL BT by Tivoli, Bluetooth compatible. Looks like we have some nice features here. We have AM FM radio.
Store, if it's under you.
Yeah, sounds pretty good. If you wanted Bluetooth, if you wanted to pair it to your phone, you can also do that. The PAL does have an auxiliary in as well. And it looks like it has a headphone jack. So you can plug in your auxiliary units, your iPods or iPads or your iPhone or whatever you want to use to plug in there. And it has the charger volt. It's not charged right now, but it does look like it comes with a real simple wall mount charger. And one other feature it does have for the AM FM radio, it's just got your classic old school manual antenna. And that's the Tivoli. This is in the glossy black and white PAL Bluetooth from audiogeeks.com.